मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद भक्ति वेदांत श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं शिक्षा गुरु सन्यास गुरु नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत करोड़ साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमान भक्ति श्री स्वामी महाराज एवं
I have represented the lotus feet of my Gurudev and present Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Vishnu Maharaj, who is present here, and all working, transmitters working. Gurudhar Sajjan, with all the gentlemen, to everyone I would like to offer. To my mothers, everyone I offer my infinite Dandavat Pranams. I offer my Dandavat Pranam. Today, we have gathered here. Anyhow, due to some reason, people have gathered today. The main reason is, especially the Pran Govinda Prabhu and his wife Sudevi Rasi and their beautiful child Radhe Shyam Sundar Das. Today is his birthday. We're celebrating that. That's why I give a big round of applause for all of them. I'm not glorifying them. This is the mood of Braj that is so special. The more and more we listen to Hari Katha, Altamal Krishna Prabhuji, very near and close recipient of mercy of Param Gurudev, he received the mercy of, and he very beautifully expressed the mood of Braj. Even the hardest and hardest of heart, it will melt, it will cry. It's very hard to cry, but yet such are the glories of devotees who spread this mood. Kirtan is so glorious, even it will melt the stone. In Bhagavad we have heard from mouth of a Vaishnav, we have heard about the sound of flute of Krishna also. We tried to study also. From mouth of Gurudev, we heard about Venu Geet, Yugal Geet, Brahmar Geet, and many beautiful songs of divine melodies we have heard. But we know that Krishna, with the sound of flute, he attracts everyone. Very beautiful is this. And a Maharaj also, very nicely, he's like painted a beautiful picture of Braj to his Harikatha. Sitting here, it's like we all took darshan of Braj. Very beautiful mood he expressed. God, he accepts what? God, he accepts the mood of the devotees. If mood manifests in the heart, then life is successful. Life is successful. If we don't endeavor to attain these modes from the stage of Sadh, Shraddha to Sadhu Sangha, Anartha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav. So beyond this, it's not possible for a sadhak to go beyond this stage. It's for Siddha Purush. wherever there is
प्रेम की
prem,
थोड़ी सी प्रकट होने के साथ ही
one
साथ
little bit of
ये
prema
शरीर
manifest, then
क्या होगी?
all this body
छूट जाए।
will die.
कहा नहीं सकते। ऐसे हमारे आचार्य
Our
बाबा ने
acharyas
बताया।
have explained like this. In scriptures it is explained.
प्रेम कोई साधारण वस्तु नहीं।
Prema is not ordinary.
हम तो कहते हैं प्रेम प्रेम प्रेम,
We say prem, prem, prem.
किंतु वास्तव में प्रेम नीलू के नाम है।
Prem is not existing in this material world.
नीलू के नाम है। इस संसार में नीलू में नहीं, पृथ्वी लोक में प्रेम प्रकट होना संभव
It's not possible for prem to manifest in this world.
चित्त जगत की प्रेम की कथा।
It is prem of the transcendental world. In Chaitanya Charitamrita,
संत कस्तूरी मंजरी कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी
Kasturi Manjari Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is explaining.
যেন জাম্বু নদকে নীলু के नाम है। हिमालय की
Jamunata him, meaning on the top of Himalaya mountain,
सुंदर एक जामुन की पेड़ है। कौन सा
there is a
पेड़ है?
beautiful tree of jamun fruit.
जामुन खाया?
Have you
बहुत
had
सुंदर।
this fruit? It's
जब
like
पक
a
जाते
Indian
हैं,
berry.
इतनी सुंदर स्वादिष्ट।
Jamun, purple color berry, Indian berry.
हम जब
It's a
छोटे
very
थे,
beautiful tree. When I was small, we used to eat it a lot.
इतने बड़े-बड़े हो जाते थे। और पक जाने से बिल्कुल
And when it's ripe, it's so like black from outside, purplish color from inside. Very beautiful. And they used to fall down and they used to break.
चितक जाते माने
Means they were like squeezed when they fall down.
उसी प्रकार करें
Like this explanation is coming
हिमालय
that
के उच्च प्रदेश में
on the top of Himalaya mountain,
एक जामुन पेड़ है
there's a tree of this fruit,
और
this
उस
berry.
जामुन जब पक जाता है और नीचे गिरता है और
When the
ठीक
fruit falls down,
वही जामुन पेड़ के नीचे
just underneath that tree, there's a very beautiful river flowing,
और उसी के नदी के तट पर
and on the banks of that
जामुन
river,
की फल गिरने के साथ ही साथ उसके रस से कौन सा एक
when the fruit
अपूर्व
falls down, a transcendental energy gets released from the pulp of that fruit. It transforms into gold. And that gold does not come in this world. The demigods, they come and they steal it. They take it and they go to heaven. In scriptures, this is explained. In the same way, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explaining, prema is not possible to, does not exist in this world actually. Sadhakas will attain where? Only till the stage of bhav, not beyond this. Encore. If little bit this happened, then the life will be successful. Going further, the katha of prema is coming. And there are many levels of prema explained in this world. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, in Ujjwal Neelmani scripture, he has explained very beautiful levels of prema. He has expressed Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Rudha, Adi Rudha, Madan, Mohan, Madhanakya, Mahabhav. This katha I also explained. With many examples, he explained this. In Ujjwal Neelmani scripture is unique and unparalleled. Such scripture has never manifested in past and will never manifest in the future either. I'm saying this because this is transcendental object. This katha of Braj, it is not ordinary. The three types of speakers. Listen carefully. One speaker, whatever they feel like, they speak it out. That's the speaker, they're speaking by themselves. And one speaker, he reads the scriptures and then he speaks about that. And the third speaker, he speaks from realization. In reality, they descend from the transcendental Golok Vrindavan Dham. They descend from there, and the beautiful form of Golok Vrindavan Dham, they take darshan of it and also they explain it. Who are they? Sukadev Goswami, Sukadev Goswami Pad. He's beloved parrot of Srimati Radhika.
जैसे महाराज जी का
Like Maharaj
इसलिए
explained.
भागवत में सुखदेव गोस्वामी
That's why in Bhagavad, Sukdev Goswami Pad,
कभी कभी ऐसे अभिष्ट हो गए
he got so much absorbed while speaking Katha. In reality, he was taking darshan and he's expressing it further.
पर इसके प्रमाण कहाँ है?
What is the evidence? Where is it?
हैं? धन्ना मूढ़तो हिरण्य एताः
Hiranya etaha.
संस्कृत में
In
एता
Sanskrit,
शब्द
the word
है।
eta means
ये शब्द देखो,
like-
हिरण्य हिरण्य
Like they're pointing and showing, oh, all these female and male deers.
जानन्वत विचित्र वेशम अकर्ण वेणुरणितम सह कृष्ण सारम पूजा दुरुम विरचया प्रणयावलोकन। राधा की अंतर्निहित भाव है।
This is the innermost mood of Srimati
और
Radhika.
सुखदेव
And Sukdev Goswami Pad,
स्वयं
he
दर्शन करके
himself is taking darshan of it and he is
एता
pointing the finger and he's showing
एता
this.
प्रांग तुर्भुतो विभवबद्धो। ऐसे ऐसे श्लोक इतने सुंदर है जैसे आपको
It was so beautiful.
विश्वास प्रतीत होगा।
You,
उसी में कहते हैं
this is,
सत्सारो वक्ता।
such are the glories of such a speaker who is descending from that world and expressing the glories of it. Such bona fide exalted saints are present in Braj. Like Maharaj Ji explains very beautifully, Katha he expressed. 4 type of Brajvasis there are.
बहुत सुंदर है।
Very beautiful Katha this is.
ब्रज में जो जन्म लिया
One who those who take birth in Braj, okay,
वो ब्रजवासी।
they are Brajvasi because they reside there.
हम कहते हैं ब्रजवासी।
We respect them, Brajvasi. Even they eat onion, garlic, whatever do they do bhajan or not, who knows? We are not here to criticize anyways.
हम तो ब्रज में था।
We go to Braj.
40 साल तक ब्रज में।
40 years ago, 40 years I stayed in Braj. In the house of Brajvasis, with my cycle I used to roam all around Braj. I'm telling about myself that because it was instruction of my Gurudev.
सब ब्रजवासी एक नहीं।
Not one Brajvasi, all are Brajvasi, many Brajvasi
और
house I
एक
went to.
ब्रजवासी का नहीं, कोई दूर से आ गए बैठ गए।
And one Brajvasi came,
वो कहते
someone
मैं ब्रजवासी हूँ।
someone come from far away and they sit down, they say live from Delhi, they live from Hastinapur, they come and they say I'm Brajvasi.
कहीं भी हो।
In Bengal any place they are, they come and they say they just buy a land there and they stay there. All they say I am Brajvasi because Brajvasi means one who resides in Braj. So because they are staying there, right? They are residing there. The third category, those who have hold this mood of Braj in the heart and they are staying in Braj and doing their bhajan. They are Brajvasi. And the fourth, the topmost category of Brajvasi is this, the fourth one, Rupa Sanatan. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada,
सिद्धांत देते हैं।
he gives this Siddhanta
ब्रजवासी कौन है?
conclusion that who is Brajvasi?
हमारे रूप गोस्वामी पाद,
Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatan Goswami Pad, Raghunath Das Goswami Padas, Jiva Goswamis.
ऐसे गोस्वामी लोग के भाव में
One who is absorbed in the similar mood that they were absorbed in, those who stay in Braj.
यहाँ पे भी प्रभुपाद कह रहे हैं,
Even Prabhupada is saying,
कोई जरूरी नहीं है
it's not
कि
necessary
वही ब्रज में स्थान में रहे।
that they're staying directly in Braj. They can stay anywhere. You can stay in Delhi, any place in the world.
गोस्वामी के भाव में बीमारी होकर
But be absorbed in the mood of the Goswamis. And if someone is doing bhajan this way, then they are called Brajvasis. And this is the topmost best definition of Brajvasis. Like our Tamal Krishna Prabhuji, very nice. He is absorbed in mood.
भाव होनी चाहिए।
The mood must be there.
और ब्रज में रह करके यदि भाव
And if you
ही
stay
नहीं
in
हो,
Braj and mood is not there, it's useless actually.
ब्रज की भावना लेकर मुझे तो
Mood of Braj is very important.
मयूरापुरे कितने सुंदर को ब्रज दिव्य प्राकृत ब्रज वृंदावन धाम।
Braj is very beautiful, transcendental world that Goswamis are expressing this.
तो ब्रज इतने सुंदर।
Braj is so
आज हम
beautiful.
ब्रज भी जाते हैं,
Today we go to
वृंदावन
Braj in Vrindavan.
ये दृश्य बहुत कम दिखाई पड़ता है।
It's very rare to see this vision. These days all the forests are cut. Deforestation has happened all around. There were 12 forests.
वन जो है वो कहाँ है?
Where are they now?
वो वन हम कहाँ दिखाई पड़े?
Where can I see? Where can we see
हम
them?
तो ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा
We
करते
do
हैं।
Brajmandal Parikrama.
इधर 7 वन और उधर 5 वन।
7 forests here and 5 there.
ताल वन, कुमुद वन,
Talwan, Kumudwan,
भांडीर वन,
Bhandir one, all these forests.
जाते हैं भक्तों के साथ, गुरुदेव के साथ। गुरुदेव
go with the devotees. Gurudev, we used to go with Gurudev, and Gurudev used to manifest all those places. The place is there,
किंतु लीला दर्शन नहीं।
but Leela Darshan is not happening. We're not able to witness the pastimes.
इतनी सुंदर वो धाम की बनी।
Very beautiful, and those the land of Braj. One is like direct manifestation, like the place is there. Drishyaman Prakash. Radha Kund is there in front of us. Sham Kund is there. It's the same. The place is the same. Raj Govardhan is there.
आप लोग जाते हैं?
We go there, you go there. You can see. We see the place is the same. But the pastimes you not see. This is called Drishyaman Prakash.
और एक धाम के कहा जाता है प्रकट,
And one dham is called Prakat Dham,
जिस समय से
manifested
भगवान
dham.
अपने
At that time, God with his eternal associates, he descends into this world to manifest all the pastimes.
उसे कहा जाता है
It is called
प्रकट
Prakat Dham.
कृष्ण स्वयं
Krishna
नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन
from Transcendental Golok Vrindavan Dham
और अपने परिकरों के
with his
साथ
eternal associates,
अनुग्रहाय
he descends.
भक्तानां
So this Anugraya Bhaktanam, this slok is coming.
भजते तासुर विराजा सुत्वा तत्परो भवे। कितना सुंदर भजन।
Very beautiful mood is expressed by Sukadeva Goswami Pad. The pastimes are going on like this.
और एक तीसरी
And the third one is
वृंदावन धाम।
The eternal Golok Vrindavan Dham. It is called
अप्रकट
Aprakat
धाम
Dham, which is like not manifested in this world, it's there.
ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर लीलाएं चलती जा।
Beautiful pastimes are going on there endlessly in the Transcendental Golok Vrindavan.
हमारे गोसाई वर्गीय जी वर्णन
The
करते
Goswamis, they are explaining this.
हैं, वो वृंदावन धाम हम कब दर्शन करेंगे?
When will we take darshan of that Vrindavan Dham? Prabodhanand Saraswati Pad. In Radha Ras Sudhanadi's picture,
कितने सुंदर वर्णन करते
he
हैं।
explains very beautiful moods.
कितना भाव मधुर
Very deep and sweet moods are expressed in that scripture.
वृंदावन जीवनम वृंदावन मम
Vrindavan is my heart and soul.
हृदयम।
It is my heart.
वृंदावन मेरे जीवन स्वरूप है।
Vrindavan is my life. Vrindavan is my heart.
वो वृंदावन कब दर्शन करेंगे?
When will we take darshan of that Vrindavan?
और वो ब्रजवासी
And those
ये
Brajvasis,
दर्शन कब?
when will we meet them?
हमारी शरणत्तम दास
Shri Narottam Das Thakur.
इतने सुंदर बंगला कीर्तन में
In beautiful Bangla Kirtan, he expressed these beautiful moods.
ये सब छाड़िया वामी कबे जागो वृंदावन।
When will I leave everything and go to Vrindavan? When will I leave everything, all the sense gratification things, attachments? When? Oh, when will we go to Vrindavan to take darshan
वो
properly?
वृंदावन दर्शन कैसे होगा?
How will we take darshan? You can take darshan only in association of devotees with sadhu sang.
शुद्ध भक्त जो कीर्तन महात्मा के द्वारा कीर्तन
Pure
के द्वारा
devotees through their kirtan,
वो वृंदावन धाम करता है।
they manifest Vrindavan.
इसी शास्त्र में कहा
In
गया,
scriptures it is said,
साधु संग
Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastreka. All scriptures give this instruction to association with sadhu, and if you associate with them even for millisecond, then you attain all qualifications.
लव मान
Love matra, even for 1 millisecond.
इतने टाइम
For this time, if you associate with sadhu,
उतनी समय कोई सत्संग करे,
someone does satsang,
संत महात्मा के सानिध्य में बैठ
and
जाएगा,
just sit in Sant Mahatma's, they sit in front of Sant Mahatma, then see,
सब कुछ प्रकट होगा।
everything will manifest.
हृदय में प्रकट होगा।
Everything will manifest in the heart.
भजन करते करते
When you do bhajan, slowly and slowly chanting holy names.
आज तक भी वृंदावन में अनेक
Even till
संत
today in
महात्मा
Vrindavan, there are
विराजमान
many, many saints, those who reside there.
गुरुदेव कहते थे,
Gurudev used to
यदि
say,
वृंदावन में संत महात्मा नहीं रहते,
if Sant Mahatma do not live in Vrindavan, then the earth will
नष्ट हो जाएगी।
destroyed. Earth will be destroyed if the saints are not living in Vrindavan. So saints, pure saints are present. Those who are holding the earth together. Such is the beauty of Vrindavan, and they are absorbed in the deep moods of Vrindavan.
कहीं भी रहे,
Wherever you stay, this is not important. Rupa Goswami Pad is saying,
तिष्ठन् ब्रजे
Trishtan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugami.
तन्नाम वृंदादि सुकृतनाम स्मृतो प्रमेण रसनाम मनसि विजयतो तिष्ठन् ब्रजे।
Trishtan Braje.
कहाँ रहे? तिष्ठन्
Where
ब्रजे।
to stay in Braj.
हमारे भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर,
Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he's extremely magnanimous. Kamal Manjari is saying,
शरीर के द्वारा ब्रजवास
if not possible to stay in Braj by physically, by body, then wherever you stay in any part of the world,
किंतु हमें वो भाव में रहे।
be absorbed in the mood of Braj. then you are residing in Braj. And always remember about and be absorbed in the mood as like of Rup Sanatan, and be absorbed in thinking about divine amorous pastimes. Read the scriptures of Goswamis first. Braj Riti Chintamani. Braj Riti Chintamani. Braj Riti Chintamani. Beautiful scripture this is. Read that Braj. What is the culture of Braj? What is the tradition of Braj? Which kind of people live where? What is the map of Braj? What is the map of Braj? It is explained in that book. Like before going to a country, if we go to a country, we generally see map, location, everything before we go. You know what map means, but you don't know Manchitra. Nobody knows Hindi these days. So we see Manchitra, we see the map, we see the whole world map. We see the globe. This continent, this country, that country, where to go, how to go. In the same way, the map of Braj is explained in this book, Braj Riti Chintamani scripture. Very beautiful scripture it is. It's very necessary to study these kind of scriptures, and only then the moods will manifest. So beautiful moods these are. Today is his birthday. Today I will not enter into the deep moods, so I will explain that people celebrate birthdays like stupid nonsense things, but what is the culture and tradition of Braj? In Braj, how do they celebrate the birth of Krishna? I will tell you a little bit about it. So on the birthday of Krishna, Mother Yashoda, what does she do? She invites Brahmans and she lights 108 lamps. 108. And to Krishna, the light has gone. बहुत बढ़िया light है. See, just we chant the holy names and light came. Anyway, so Mother Yashoda, she called Brahmans, and she flowed all the lamps in the Yamuna. She did Swasti Vachan of Kanhaiya from Brahmans. She did Swasti Vachan. And then each lamp, one lamp, ghee lamps, she touches the forehead of Krishna and then she flows them in Yamuna. This is explained in scriptures. I'm not saying what scholars tell. This is written in scriptures. First time, I was thinking, where did these scholars speak from? So I found in scriptures this evidence. It's written there. Mother Yashoda, this is how she celebrates the birthday of Krishna. And see, through Brahmans, she is Swasti Vachan. She gets Swasti Vachan done for Krishna. She grabs one hand of Gopal. She's little baby, right? He's restless. He might run away here and there. Child does not sit in one place. The nature of monkey and a little baby is the same. True or not? Like a little baby is restless. So Mother Yashoda, what did she do? She grabbed Gopal with one hand, and with Brahman she did the Swasti Vachan of Krishna. Then one by one she's picking up ghee lamps and putting them on the head of Krishna, and then she's throwing them in Yamuna river. Doing human-like pastimes. See, it's just as like a human, beautiful pastimes are being manifested by Krishna. Gopal, what is he doing? all the ghee Gopal is coming from other way. The Yamuna is flowing right from one direction to the other direction. And Krishna, he Kanhaiya, he went to the other side and he's picking out the lamps from Yamuna and he's putting them the lamps on the banks of Yamuna. It was a huge line of lamps. Oh, how this happened? Yogamaya does everything. When desire of Krishna manifests simultaneously, Yogamaya arranged everything. Gopal, what did he do? One by one, he the lamps that were flowed by Yamuna. So they were 1108 names of Krishna. Those same names, the Brahmins did Swastivachan chanting the names of Krishna. We did Swastivachan. Whose names are being chanted? It's not my name, not yours. Not Hakko, Bako, Chikku, Chinku, Tinku, Pintu, Shintu. Not stupid nonsense names. Are these names? No. Lallu, Situ, Bitu. People keep names like these days, guys. One day while collecting donations, I went to a house. I asked, T2, come here. The person said, I said, who are you calling? What is T2? Who is T2? He said, this is my child name, T2. I said, T2? What name is this? He said, so what they said, I'm telling. He said, I went to London. I had a boarding pass. On my boarding pass, it was written, gate number T2, which means terminal 2. And I saw that T2. T2 means terminal 2. I saw that in T2. So I named my child T2, 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 Shitu. Are these names? I saw this in Braj. I'm not telling about someplace else. But look, Mother Yashoda. He did beautiful Swastivachan of Gopal. They are chanting names of Krishna. Om Swastina Govinda, Om Swastino Achyuta Ananto. See, these are the names of Govinda, Krishna himself. Whose names are these? Krishna's name. And with Krishna's name they are doing Krishna's Swastivachan. This is the sweet mood of Braj. Lokavatu Lila Kevalam, just doing human-like pastimes. And Gopal from behind, Mother Yashoda looking on the other way, and Gopal from the other way with his hand, he took out the ghee lamps from the river and he put them on the banks of Yamuna and decorated them on the banks. Swastivachan finished, then we give donation to Brahmins. Brahmins, like when they receive donations, it's okay, it's done, finished. So when Mother Yashoda came, Mother Yashoda saw there is no any ghee lamp in Yamuna. All they are on the bank of Yamuna. Mother Yashoda said, Kanhaiya, who decorated these lamps? He said, Mother, you float the ghee banks in river. So this is my work, this is my responsive duty. Krishna said, this is my duty. What is my duty? One who is flowing in the water, I protect them and I put them in the corner. It's like putting them in shelter somewhere, those who are being lost in the river. This is easy meaning. Govinda, he is extremely merciful. Jivas, in this ocean of Maya, they are drowning. They are drowning, floating here, there. If Govinda gives mercy, what will he do? He will pick up with his own hands and he will put us on an island, in a shelter. This is the mood. Very beautiful mood this is. But look, we are following the culture of the West. Please forgive me. This is like we cut the cake, right? It's okay. What do? We light up candles. We put up candles, and then then we blow it off. Then we blow the candles off. Depending on the number of the years the child is, they put same number of candles and then they blow them off. This is not the Indian culture and tradition. Don't be offended. I'm sadhu, so I must speak truth. Whatever you do, okay, no problem. For worldly behavior, I accept everything. Sometimes I'm encouraged, no problem, do. Otherwise, no one will do anything. They'll say, Maharaj, my child's birthday, you did not cut a cake, Maharaj. People will be upset. And no candle also. So no birthday is not complete, Maharaj. You are just doing Haribol, Haribol. Is this a celebration? Okay, do whatever you want. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad says, to gather people, you can agree to some things. But reality, bhajan, the culture of India is different. In Western culture, people cut the cake. They give knife in the hand of a little child. Like, learn how to use a knife. And they light up candle and they blow it off. You should not blow off a light. Is their life ended? No. Put them in the service of Govinda. Tamso ma jyotirgamaya. Tamso ma. Don't go towards darkness. Go towards light. That light towards God. Okay, you can light up the candle, no problem. It's light. Light lamps. Offer them to Govinda. Offer them to Giriraj Govardhan. Very beautifully decorated plate, Arati plate for Giriraj Govardhan. You can, for example, your child is 10 years old, then you put 10 lamps in the plate. Very nice. And do Arati of Giriraj Govardhan. Raj Maharaj ki jai. Very blissful it is. I'm saying this because the mood of Braj made it manifest in our heart. I'm saying this only for that. The real moods of Braj are like this. The Katha of Braj, if we don't listen, then how will the heart become happy? If someone cries for Vrindavan in this material world, we cry for money, wealth, families, mother, father. But the tears must come for God. If they come for God, then tears are successful. Srimad Bhagavat is explained. If someone does not cry while chanting the name of God, then their life is useless. Their heart is very hard. How will the tears come from the eyes? So many offenses. But because of many offenses, our heart is like a stone. I will end Harikatha quickly today, then we will do Swastivasa. Gurudev used to explain Katha. Our speaker used to speak very nice Bhagavad. Everybody heard Bhagavatam. Some people heard the Katha and at the back there was a person sitting. And they were, again and again, they were picking up their clothes and they were wiping off their tears. They were cleaning it. The speaker saw Katha ended. After that, all the people come near the person who was speaking Katha, they give pranams to them. Everyone was coming and going. At the end, that same person came in front and he pronounced. The speaker grabbed him and asked, "Tell me, your heart is extremely soft, isn't it? And my heart is extremely hard. I spoke Harikatha, but my heart did not melt. And you heard my Katha and you cried." See, the person said, "Maharaj, my heart is even more hard than a stone. So why are you crying? How did the tears come out?" He said, "Maharaj, I studied Bhagavatam. I heard Bhagavatam. Even after listening to Govinda, if the heart is not melting, then life is useless. Even the senses are useless. What to do with such senses? You should punish them. Oh, you eyes. You fool eyes.
काम क्या है?
What is your job?
भगवान के दर्शन करके
You,
हमारे चित्त नहीं
your heart is not melting after taking darshan of
ये
God?
कारण
Oh, you ears.
भगवान कैसे मधुर कथा सुन करके
After hearing katha of God, nothing is happening. You useless ears.
इसे उस इंद्र के क्या देना
You
चाहिए?
must chastise all the senses one by one. Punish them.
ये वो व्यक्ति कह रहे हैं।
Gurudev is to
इसमें
explain. So I heard the person is saying, Diktam.
इसमें मैंने क्या की?
So what did I do?
थोड़ी सी जो है
I put some chili powder in my eyes to punish my eyes.
और कुछ कारण नहीं है महाराज।
No other reason, Maharaj.
इसलिए आंखों के अंदर
That's why tears were coming. I was chastising my eyes, punishing my eyes. Oh eyes, you are useless.
बड़ा ही देन है ना।
Vrahite nayanam.
जिस आंखों के द्वारा
By the eyes,
गोविंद के दर्शन करके
eyes those who take darshan of Govinda and tears does not
बोले वो
come.
आंख कैसे हो जाए?
Those eyes,
बोले चित्र अंकन में जैसे आंख जैसे मयूर पंखा में जैसे आंख जैसे दिखाई पड़ती।
they look like eyes in the peacock feather.
इसलिए मैंने क्या की?
So what did I do?
मेरे आंखों की मैंने दंड
I punished my eyes.
उस समय वक्ता कहने लगे
Then the speaker said at that time, you are so fortunate, you are blessed. I also heard katha, but till now I have not met a person, I have never met a person who has punished their own senses.
हमने कथा सुनते
We hear katha. In Bhagavad there are many kathas.
ये जिहा भगवान किस लिए दिया?
This tongue God is given for what? To do Nam Kirtan of God.
और यदि हम इस जिहा के द्वारा
Then by
जिहा के द्वारा प्रभु के नाम कीर्तन नहीं किया,
If by this
वो
tongue if we
जिहा
don't chant
कैसे
holy name, then that tongue is
मेढक की जिहा है?
like a tongue of a frog. It's useless.
बरसात के समय बारिश होती है, अब गर्मी हो रही है।
Today
तो
is summer. After 2 months, rainy season will come. People are like summer, so hot. And then later, after 2 months, when the monsoon will come, they're like, Maharaj, rain, Maharaj, rain.
और उस बरसात में भी आनंद होता है।
And in rain there is a bliss also. The lakes they fill up,
और उस समय
rivers fill up. And at that time, who floats first in the river? The frogs. They just make tack sound. And at that time the snake comes and eats the frog.
उसके कारण भागवत में
If in Bhagavad this is
जिस
explained.
जिहा के द्वारा भगवत कीर्तन नहीं किया,
If by tongue Bhagavad Kirtan is not happening, that tongue is like a tongue of a frog. Tar, you're making useless sounds.
भागवत में ऐसे ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर कथाएं हैं।
In Bhagavad beautiful kathas are
इसलिए
explained.
भगवान ने
That's why
सुंदर इंद्रियां आदि दी है।
God has given us these beautiful senses. Given us this eyes, ears, skin, nose, ear. Put all of them in service of God.
दिया कि नहीं दिया?
God has given you eyes or not?
खूब लोग होते हैं जन्मांध।
Many people are born blind.
जन्म से ही हो। हम-
By birth they are blind. See,
हम तो कम से कम देखते पाए।
at least we have eyes. So why not put it to good use?
आंखें नहीं बोले ऐसे सुंदर।
Eyes are meant to take darshan of beautiful Govinda.
आंखों की फल क्या है?
What are the fruits of eyes to take darshan of Govinda?
कानों की फल क्या है? प्रभु की ऐसी सुंदर
The
कथा।
fruits of ears, the benefit of ears, the use of ears is to listen Hari Katha. Sit in Hari Katha.
रसलीला प्रेम कथा जिस वजह
Association
से
of
पाए
devotees listen Rasa Leela Katha.
भक्त
Those who do this and then they attain Ghansham.
कथा को अनुसरण
Listen to Katha, sit in association of devotees. Then the heart will melt.
इतना क्यों प्रार्थना करते हैं?
This is just our prayer.
जैसे महाराज ने
May our heart melt. Maharaj very beautifully explained. Raghunath Das Goswami he says, Anaradha Radha Padambujarenum.
अनासित वृंदा पटवित पदांका असंवसु तद्भाव गंभीर चित्ता पदस्याम सिंधु रसशावला श्याम सिंधु में यदि किसी पे यदि
If someone wants to take bath in the ocean of the ras of Sham,
सिंधु माने श्याम रस
Sham Ras, what is it?
जुगल सरकार की जो मिलन की है
The meeting pastimes of the conjugal couple, Shringar Ras, Sham Ras, same name.
विष्णु नहीं श्याम रस में
In Sham Ras, Shringar Ras, if someone wants to enter,
तो तीन नियम की बस पालन
3 rules need to follow. How many? Only 3. What are they?
एकमात्र राधा की एकांत की विष्णु
We one pointedly surrender to Srimati Radhika,
और कुछ
Radha Nishta, no need to do anything else.
अब दूसरी
Second, reside in Vrindavan. On the places that are dominated by Srimati Radhika, Radha
वृंदावन में
Parani.
कहाँ वास करेंगे?
Where to stay in Vrindavan?
राधा राधा आधिपत्य
Places that are dominated by Srimati Radhika.
वस्तु ममस्तु में राधा जी की जो अधिपत्य जो वृंदावन स्थान,
The places that are dominated by Srimati Radhika, there we should reside.
तो वृंदावन में सर्वत्र जा सकते।
You can stay anywhere in Vrindavan. No, you have to stay in Vrindavan only places that are under control of Srimati Radhika. If you go to Sakistali, then you will be rejected from the mercy of Srimati Radhika.
वृंदावन की चंद्रावली स्थान है कि
Vrindavan, there are places of Chandravali also, right?
सखीस्थली।
Sakistali is there.
रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी
Raghunath Goswami,
एक ब्रजवासी मट्ठा भर एक
one Brajvasi with the buttermilk,
दोने में भर बड़ा
he put buttermilk in a bowl
रघुनाथ दास
and he was coming. And Raghunath Goswami asked,
आप ये इतने बड़े दोने का
Brajvasis, from where did you get so many big disposable bowls? Daily you come with small bowls. They said, today I went to Sakistali in Chandravali place.
और वहीं पर ऐसे मिल गया।
There I found this big disposable bowl. After hearing this, Raghunath Das Goswami, he picked up a big stick and he beat him.
हमारी राधा जी के बुलाने वाली,
One who makes Srimati Radharani cry, one
प्रियतम गोविंद की हरण करने वाली,
who steals the beloved of Srimati Radhika from her, and you went to that Chandravali place,
देखो क्रोध आ गया।
then he became very
वो
angry.
ब्रजवासी को मारने के
He
लिए
beat the Brajvasi and the Brajvasi ran away.
ब्रजवासी को समझ? इसलिए कहते हैं,
That's why
वृंदावन कहाँ पर है? इसका मैं
Raghunath Das Goswami explains.
वृंदावन अष्टक में वर्णन करें।
In Vrindavan Ashtak he is explaining Radha Adipatya Vrindavanam Vasastu mein Radha Kund. They reside in Radha Kund. One is Panchakoshi Vrindavan, like
और एक होता है
one is a small Vrindavan, and Brihad Vrindavan.
राधा कुंड से लेकर के
From Radha Kund to Nandgaon Barsana, everything is included in Brihad Vrindavan.
ये सर्वोत्तम स्थान कहाँ पर है?
The topmost place is where?
वो भी
Brihad Vrindavan. And Brihad Vrindavan, what is the topmost place? Radha Kund is the topmost place.
राधा कुंड में मेरे पास
Maybe we all reside in Radha Kund.
सुंदर सुंदर स्थान,
Very beautiful divine transcendental places.
और सुंदर सुंदर श्लोकों के द्वारा
By beautiful shlokas, our acharyas are explaining this. You need time to listen to Katha, right? More time I will not take now. We'll need to do Swasti Vachan also. After Swasti Vachan, there is prasad arrangement for everyone. Our Pran Govinda Prabhu,
प्राण गोविंद प्रभु नाम भी कैसे सुंदर है।
his name is very beautiful also.
ऐसे नाम तो मैं कभी सुना ही नहीं।
I have never heard this name before.
कितना सुंदर नाम है प्राण गोविंद।
Pran Govind devotee is saying, Gurudev, you have given me this
बेटा भी
name.
कैसे नाम है?
And the child's name is also very beautiful.
राधा
Radha Shyam Das, Radha Shyam Sundar
पत्नी भी
Das.
कैसी है?
And wife is also
सुदेवी।
Sudevi.
परिवार ऐसे सुंदर।
The family is like this, very beautiful family.
इनकी परिवार को कितने सुंदर।
Their family is very
मैं
nice.
कोई प्रसन्नता करने के लिए
I am not glorifying them.
किंतु वास्तव में
This is
इनके
true.
साथ कई बार रहा मैं।
I've even stayed in their house before.
4 दिन की रात।
2 days, 6 days, many times.
ब्रजवास के वास्तव ब्रजवासी जी का है इनके
They are Brajvasis.
है। घर में
The moods are there.
केवल वृंदावन की बात नहीं है।
It's not like just staying direct in Vrindavan. Brajvasis are those who are absorbed in the mood of Braj.
वृंदावन ज्ञान
Lal ki jai.
और हमारे और भी भक्त लोग
Now there are many devotees that are all I see everyone, I see all the Brajvasis are sitting here.
आप ऐसे ब्रजवासी है कि नहीं?
All your Brajvasis are not.
हमारे गुरुदेव की शरण में आ गए। किसी
You are in shelter of Gurudeva's shelter. Anyhow, if you touch the lotus feet of Gurudev,
देखो सत्य है।
you all are
सब ब्रजवास।
Brajvasis.
हमारे गुरुदेव जो है
Was Gurudev, he's Brajvasi himself, Raman Manjari hai. Not less. So much are the glories of Raman Manjari. And under the guidance of Raman Manjari, anyhow, directly, indirectly, if you touch anyhow, I think all of them, they are Brajvasis. All they are the recipients of the mercy of Param Gurudev. I pray to all of them that may in my heart, all these moods, they manifest in my heart.
अभी छोटी सी कीर्तन जो ब्रज की कीर्तन हुई और इसके बाद आशीर्वाद कर देते, क्या बोले, स्तुति वाचन कर देते और आरती प्रसाद।
हरे कृष्ण।